The dish we propose you for this Christmas: white fish marinated in a ceviche stock with celery. First, fillet the fish. Mix sugar and salt together. Marinate the fish for about 2.5 hours. For the ceviche, dice onion, lemongrass, celery, and coriander. Mix everything together. Add the lemon, lime, and orange juice. Leave to infuse for 1 day. Then pass everything through a fine sieve and set aside. Just before serving, prepare celery and fennel. Take the fish out from the marinade, slice it, put nicely on a deep plate, cover generously with fennel, some celery and fine herbs, and to finish the plate, add the ceviche stock. Enjoy!